Hello everyone, today I'm starting to work on my Aiwa cassette player. I just removed the battery door and removed couple screws to get inside, and here we go. That's the mechanism. Belt has been replaced by a previous owner. This guy works, right? Specifically, I have a power supply for it, external, it works. And recently I received this battery from China. This battery is like resembles a specific Akai battery, which modern days is not possible to buy anymore. It's 2 volt 900 milliampere battery, and you see I'm recharging it with USB-C to use in this player. So now, what's wrong with this player? It plays, it has good heads, good pinch rollers, plays in both directions, fast forward and rewind. Over time the sound quality degrades, and I decided to check if there is capacitors, I mean electrolytic capacitors, which could be replaced. Yeah, here I see one at least, the big one here, and see what else maybe replace it, because like it's not very stable from performance perspective. I like to make it better, but it sounds very good. I used my expensive headphones, Sennheiser, and it's produced really a good sound. I like it. All right, so now let me put you on a stand and let me continue opening this player. Probably I will rearrange space a little bit so it will be more convenient for you to watch. Okay. Now let's see, I have one screw here, one here, and we leave this white one here. This is the long one. No, it has posts below. Okay, and 2 black screws. One is here. And one is here. Yes, this white one, you see, it connects ground. So it has space here, copper plated, to connect the ground. And I'm afraid I need to desolder heads before I will move forward. I'm not afraid technically, but that's what I have to do to not break anything. Let me reduce temperature a little bit, because I was using my solder for more sophisticated work. So let's see. Okay, done. Desolder it, and now we should be able to pull up the board. Let me see. Okay. Something else prevented to go. Here is motor soldered right here. Okay, let me use wick. So that's where I don't have enough time to work on everything I love to. I've got couple Walkmans, I've got couple mini disc players. I like to work on them, to have it clean and nice. I'm also got even like Sony, I believe 909 high-end player. Okay, now we need a high temperature to use wick. I'm interested in soldering iron. See, it's not so simple. Every time you find something new. Okay, so here we go. Let me collect solder. I believe I may use the soldering iron for that work. So I will put you on pause because it will take time to heat up and do this work. See you soon. Alright everyone, I was able to remove the board. It required to desolder this connector, this motor, this relay, these connectors, and here. So here, 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 and here. And desolder the heads. And now you see mechanism is in a good shape. So you see this electromagnet switches the modes. Everything works as it should. Okay, good. Now what I need to order and replace these 4 capacitors here and this one here. And I hope after that it will work like a new. Okay, it's 220 microfarad by 4 volt. This 47 by 4, 2 pieces, and another 22 by 4. And this one is 470 by 4 Nichicon. Okay, now I know what to order. But I love the sound from this player. It's very good sounding player. After all these years, it's model PX730, almost top of the line. Okay, I will update you as soon as I complete replacement of the parts, and let's go from there. See you guys, bye bye.